Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the 2009 Toyota Corolla oil filter, easy method. Park on level ground, warm the engine a few minutes, then place a drain pan under the oil pan. Loosen the oil filler cap to vent the system, then use a wrench to crack the oil drain plug and let oil flow into the pan. While it drains, locate and remove the old oil filter using your filter wrench, wiping any spills clean as you go. Start by locating the oil filter on the engine block and wiping away grime so you can see the gasket. Slide your drain pan under the filter area, then use a filter wrench to crack and remove the old filter slowly to control spills. Inspect the old gasket to ensure it left with the filter, then wipe the mounting surface clean and prepare the new filter by lightly coating the gasket with fresh oil for a good seal. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading repair manuals and service guides anywhere, and it's perfect to keep the Corolla manual at hand while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if interested. Then now let's get back to the video. Lubricate the new filter gasket with a thin film of fresh oil to help it seal and to make future removal easier. Screw the new filter onto the mount by hand until the gasket contacts, then finish with about 3/4 of a turn using the wrench. Avoid over-tightening. Reinstall the oil drain plug with its new crush washer, torque to spec, refill with the correct oil amount, run the engine briefly, and check for leaks around the filter and plug.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.